Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. In this video, my sister and I are taking a quick 2-night cruise on the Margaritaville Paradise ship out of Palm Beach to the Grand Bahamas under the Heroes Sail for Free program. This program allowed me to sail for free with one guest, and we were only responsible for the taxes, port fees, and gratuity while receiving a free ocean view cabin for $352. This ship, along with the food and entertainment, is very budget friendly, so you get what you paid for. I do, however, think this was worth the money, plus it was a nice weekend getaway. So let's get some food while we wait for our room to get ready. Which is fine. Let's look at the room first. Let's open this up. Nothing but a breeze, baby. Oops. Oh, extra bed. Okay. Come through bed. That's cool. $5 per water. Nice, nice. This is the... Oh, this is cute. You come in. I just edited you out. Oh, girl. Well, let me get this first and then I'll get out your way. Stand-up shot with the... What's the name? Girl, we gonna have a hard time opening up the thing. Alright, that act like it don't want to open up. We'll just keep it open. Little fridge, but okay.
A descending victorious stare.
Now they say weaving is that in the corner.
Do you think she can put one more?
Welcome to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada in this RPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted Skoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dreamland and navigate life as a solo female traveler. Friends, we are moving! Yay, it is slow, but we out this piece, and honestly, we left maybe like an hour and a half late. I don't know why, I don't care why, but we are moving. After the sail-away party, we lounged in the room a bit before dinner. I will say that the sit-down dining food was way better than the buffet food. The theme was very Caribbean and they had good options with seafood. I give the sit-down restaurant a 7.5 out of 10. Big bag, big bag. Oh yeah. We are doing the sparkling breakfast this morning. I can't even talk. We're doing the sparkling breakfast this morning, friends. It was additional $20 and some change per person. And it's supposed to come with unlimited mimosas, bellinis, Bloody Marys, stuff like that. So let's dig in. We got some coffee and not bellinis, but he called them rosinis. Yes. Cheers. Hello, sister. Good morning. Oh yes, and breakfast we're gonna share a brioche French toast. I'm gonna get the huevos rancheros, and I'm gonna have them hold the chorizo. Cheers, my sister. Oh, yeah. Huevos rancheros. It was supposed to have chorizo, but no chorizo, no pork, and French toast to share with my sister. We have a cranberry mimosa this go round. Alrighty, my friends, it's about 1 o'clock. Me and my sister decided to not go off the ship. I'm gonna go upstairs so I can show you guys what it looks like, but it's been raining all morning. Yeah, so let me show you guys real quick, then I'm gonna go and get some coffee and just chill out until the party kind of gets started close to 4 o'clock. All right, I'm not even gonna go outside really. So yeah, you can see everything is just wet and icky. So it's not even worth it. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab me an iced latte. I keep going in circles. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab me an iced latte and get my steps in. I've just kind of been walking around. The ship is pretty small, actually really small compared to this smallest like Norwegian ship. But yeah, it works. So let's go down and get some coffee. Lunch is a little sad at the buffet, but yeah. How about the sun is out now, y'all? Shame, shame. Sun is out. comfortable friends. Wish you were here. We have a window seat.
What? You were like, we're going to do bachelorette party for you. He was hot, sweaty and hot.
Although we didn't get off the ship, I think $350 for a weekend getaway was a pretty good deal. I didn't have to cook, I had a clean place to lay my head, and good entertainment. Overall, it was a 7 out of 10 experience, and I think if you're a veteran in Florida and have a free weekend to spare, you should check them out. Alright my friends, I've made it back to the car. Precious, she is still in the passport line. Why? Because she has not gotten her global entry, my friends. I advise anybody who can check your credit cards because 9 times, well not 9 times out of 10, probably maybe 5 times out of 10, you may get your global entry paid for and also TSA pre-check paid for from your credit card. I also wanted to note that I didn't have to pay parking because I am active duty because I'm 100% disabled veteran and this court is out of Florida. So we don't have to pay for parking at like airports and ports and stuff like that, strictly out of Florida as a Floridian. But yes, so I'm gonna get the car nice and cooled off while Precious waits to get, you know, all through customs and everything.